Hi friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Myself Dhanesh, I am working as assistant professor in commerce. My intention to create such a YouTube channel is to clarify the doubts of commerce students. After the completion of higher secondary education in commerce, many of the students may opt for BCom or BBA courses. So when we reach the college, they will never go for tuition and all. So at the time of preparing for the final examination, some doubts may appear for such students. So my intention is to clarify the doubts of such students, those who are doing the UG courses. And after completion of the UG, some of the students may go for PG courses such as MCom or MBA, and those students who are interested in teaching may go for net coaching or net preparation. So I am going to clarify the doubts regarding some commerce related topics for such students. So if you have some doubts related to some commerce related aspects, you can type the doubts in my comment box or mail me at kdanesh104@gmail.com. So hope all your support from you viewers, and please like, subscribe and share and press the bell button